Good afternoon to everyone, my dear students. I have prepared a note for you all as you requested me to prepare on friendship, which is written by Joseph Addison. Actually, before going to know this topic, friendship, we have many more definitions. We have a lot of proverbs regarding friendship. Before going to know all those things, we should remember the essay on friendship, which was already written by Bacon, which is famous as Bacon's essay on friendship. So, before going to start the topic on friendship, I would like to pronounce a proverb here that a friend in need is a friend indeed. In Odia language, to clarify it, I would like to repeat in Odia that Bipodara bandhu hi prakrutara bandhu. So, it is a famous essay which is written by Joseph Addison. One of the most beautiful quality of friendship is understanding to each other and to be understood. It is the first characteristic of a friendship. That means the cooperation is also there. The bonding must be there. That one should understand your sorrow and that another person who is before you will be able to understand another person's sorrow. It is very much essential on friendship. I hope there will be greater happiness after reading completely this essay. It will help you to enhance your knowledge in the society to establish friendship with a person. Joseph Addison was 18th century English poet, playwright, author, politician. This essay deals with various issues, general ideas. It also gives you morals and life lessons. How to establish a relationship which is known as friendship with a person. Addison had written lesser essays, but the essay on friendship was quite effective for the society, and that is why he became famous as an essayist. Before that, I told you that he had written lesser essays. I am not going through the detail of Joseph Addison that you can study at your home by preferring your internet, and other materials are also available there in the internet. Some of the lines I would like to suggest you that will enhance your knowledge. He is recognized as one of the famous and the finest periodical essayists in his days. He was born in 1672 at Millstone. He had said from the beginning of the essay that a friend who is always found at the dinner table is not available rest of the day. That means what he generally does throughout the day, but only for sometimes he is available for you. That means I would like to clarify you all that a friend is always with you. A friend who is always with you at the dinner table but not available in the odd times. That means they are besides us in all the prosperity, but they will not be available in the odd times when you are feeling sad, when you are facing troubles, when you are facing difficulties. During those particular times they will not be available for you. Still we are creating friendship with them, still we are establishing friendship with them. They themselves hide from difficulties. They will never come you at on time. They will never be available on time. They cannot help you during your odds, during your difficulties. Only they will come in your prosperity. A trusted friend, a faithful friend is strong defense, a valuable treasure, and medicine of life. If we have a good friend, if we have a faithful friend, we can do everything. I can give you a lot of examples of friendship. Actually, there was a poem which was written by Elizabeth Phoenix, To My True Friend. I can tell you the story of that friendship, but later in the next class I can tell you in detail about Elizabeth Phoenix, To My True Friend. Actually, that was a letter written by the writer Elizabeth Phoenix, and she was writing a letter to her friends. They met for the first time, and the writer Elizabeth Phoenix talked herself that I would never like to end the relationship. I would like to pray to God not to destroy my friendship, and it should be lasted for a long time. That is what she wished to God. She prayed to God. She wanted to create a relationship with her friends. As I told you that a true friend or a faithful friend is a treasure, is a medicine of life. And we know that how you people are sharing your times with your friends during the lockdown period, and we know that it is too difficult task to stay without a friend. But that lockdown, we know that why that lockdown is actually due to that pandemic. As we know that we are suffering from coronavirus and we are suffering from COVID-19. It gives you a lot of lessons. Hope it will help you all. Few lines are left. I am going to tell you all those lines, and hope you can prepare a note on it. It will help you and you will share with your friends. Apart from these discussions, the writer Joseph Edison has told something. He says, a God-fearing person is likely to get a faithful friend because the faith and the fear of the fear one towards God ultimately directs him to get a right friend. There are two things which are mentioned by the writer Joseph Edison, that he had said here, a God-fearing person likely to get faithful friends because the faith and the fear towards God ultimately direct him to get friend. Fear and God fearing, as I told you, who fears God, who depends all the time on God, will get a true friend. How that I will explain in the next class, but something, let me tell you something before going to end the topic, something I would like to discuss. Let me end this part, and then we will move to the next, and it will be easier your tasks. Yes. So Edison pinpoints that when friends meet, the topics discussed by them would narrow down from generalized to one to particular ones. That means when we meet, when we means we friends meet, we meet at hotels, restaurants, tea tables, coffee houses, and you people are also going to meet under the trees. As you know that you all have a party, you discuss different topics. Apart from study, you discuss different topics. That gives you also different knowledges. I never say that you should never go under the tree. Actually, that is also the part of assemblies. It enhances your knowledge. I never say you not to go under the tree. Actually, there is a reason why I never deny you to go to the tree. You share that relationship will never come again. I know because I have crossed those stages, and that is why I am telling you that you people are doing a wonderful job inside the college campus. And also I do support, but that doesn't mean we should never conduct and we should never take our classes regularly. It is your first priority that you should conduct or you should take your classes properly, and after once your class is completed, you can go under the tree. And why I am telling you that going under the tree, why it is too important, why it is important, because we discuss different topics, and during the discussion we can generalize an idea. Suppose we are discussing on COVID-19, we have different ideas and we give our views during the discussion, and it also helps to enhance our knowledge, and we can generalize an idea. And in the end of the topic or end of the discussion, we come to an end of the or we come to the conclusion part, and during that particular time we get a proper idea. That is the quality of friendship, that whatever we share among us gives us a wonderful knowledge which helps us in the later part. The discussion which is made by our friends, it makes the discussion open and free. Everyone will be able to share, everyone will feel free to share their ideas with the friends. That also it is told by the writer Joseph Edison. In the end of today's class, in the end and during the time of conclusion, I must say the writer has been influenced mostly by the writer John Bacon, who has already written an essay on friendship. He has also been provided some knowledge from John Bacon, and in one sentence the writer Joseph Edison had said that the friendship doubles our happiness, divides our sorrows, divides our griefs, and it gives strength to go ahead. Much more knowledge will be shared by me in the next class. Thanking you, and hope the knowledge or the discussion which we have made today will help you to enhance your knowledge, as well as it will also help you to write or to prepare a note on it. Everything is available there in the internet, you can find it.